Hey everyone, welcome back. Is FC Mobile crashing the second you tap on the icon or closing itself before the kickoff event loads? Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close FC Mobile completely from your recent apps. Now, go to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and check how much free space you have. FC Mobile downloads several gigabytes of stadium, KIT, and player data, and it crashes on launch when there isn't enough room to load these assets. Free up space by offloading a new unused app if storage is tight. If storage looks fine and it's still crashing, press and hold the FC Mobile icon on your home screen. Then tap Remove App, Delete App, then tap Delete App to uninstall it fully. Next, go to your App Store and search for FC Mobile and reinstall it completely fresh. After reinstalling, go to your settings again, go back, go to Software Update, and install any pending iOS updates since crash reports are far more common and outdated iOS versions. So all you've got to do is check storage, delete and reinstall fresh from App Store, update iOS, FC Mobile opens without crashing, and that's it. Subscribe for more FC Mobile fixes.